Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. Today the date is 3rd July and the time is 3:47. Today was the toughest day of the month for me. I actually would have ended up in loss in today's trade. So I have somehow managed to continue my profit streak. So I have done something to manage my profit. So let's come to the orders list. What I have done today is to somehow saving from my losses. Okay, so what I did today is I did get a shorting opportunity at SBIN, and as usual I only buy half of quantity, and if things work well I do stop my trade, but today the things didn't work well, so I had to use my remaining quantities. So we do see in this chart 3 sell quantity and 3 buy quantity. Two of these are cancelled. So 3 sell quantity and 3 buy quantities we do see here. Now coming to the trade, what I did and what I ended up, I'll mention that. So today I worked in SBI stock. So after confirming my trend and I did get a breakdown, I entered in this point. But I have not used my full quantity because I do thought that there would be a last case, so half quantity I sold it at this point, and after it reverted back more than last case, and I understood there was something wrong, but but as usual at the last case I have to use my half quantity for the first time so that I don't end up in loss. So what I did is I sold half the quantity again at this point. So now after a huge retracement, uh, it went reverted back. So I could book here a profit of 1.25 point. But still we do have a problem here. I still have half of my quantity which is at this point. But since I do have a 1.25 lead over here, I could average out my cost to approximately this point. So I the nearby resistance was this point, so I kept my stop loss above this point. So what happened actually was it didn't work out in my way, and it usually reverted back, and I almost ended up in a loss of 3000. But in chart, what I saw was I could see a its rejection at this point. Here do we see a rejection at this point. But to confirm this, I use my Nifty chart. Let's see the Nifty chart. In the Nifty chart also, I could see the same thing at the same point. So what I did to reduce my loss was, let's see the orders list. So third quantity I have sold it at 185.30. So coming to the SBIN chart, in SBIN chart 135.30 will be somewhere over here. Why did I do is because I found a zone over here and huge red candle also I saw. So I was happy because I knew that things would revert back. So I had approximately a loss of 3000. So my aim was just to cover up my losses. But to my luck, I had 3 to 4 continuous red candles, and I booked my uh, booked my profit approximately over here. In fact, where I had approximately 3000 loss, but at last it ended up in a profit of 617 rupees. So actually what we do is we don't take the full quantity. Since I had the capital to divide my trade into 3 portions, I was able to minimize my loss. Otherwise, what would have happened today if I have just worked on one breakdown only and I had purchased my full quantity, and that at that breakdown, what would have happened was I would have ended up in huge loss. So this is a point which I would like to share. Dividing our quantity into three portions and looking at the chart and buying as I did today was helpful for me. Hope this will be helpful for you also. So this is how I have managed today and somehow managed a profit of 617. But I actually took three quantities, small quantities. So after 617 or more will go for the brokerage charge. So actually, I don't have any profit for the day. I think I'll end up in zero or maybe 100 or 200 rupees loss. Okay, so that's for the day. So I have somehow managed for the day. So 3rd July was really tough for me. So that's all for the day. After Saturday and Sunday, we'll come back on Monday and continue our discussions. Thank you.